Adobe Connect 12.4 adds a brand new recording editor to edit the timeline of your recordings. You can access that in a couple of different ways, including from the new redesigned homepage. I can see all of my recent recordings here. I can also view more of my recordings if it's not showing in my recents. And then I can click on the three dots and choose to edit a recording for any of these recordings. You can also access that, by the way, from your meetings page. You can click on a meeting, go to recordings, and then under the actions tab here, choose edit recording. In both cases, it'll open up the recording player. To edit the recording, start playing it. And I'll hit pause here, and I've got some controls near the bottom of my screen that enable me to select a portion of that recording. The preview shows you exactly where in the recording you are. So I can actually scrub through the timeline with my mouse to see the different parts of my recording. If there's a section that I'm looking for, this makes it much easier to find. Next, you'll notice that I can drag with my mouse, but I can also use my keyboard. Once I've got one of these selectors selected, I can use my arrow keys to get a much more precise selection. This will be down to at least the second so that I can select specifically the portion of the recording I don't want. Once I want to eliminate that section, I can click on the pair of scissors, and that removes that section of the recording from my recording, and then I can continue to add additional sections. If I want to cut more out, I can add additional sections and hit the scissors icon. You can undo at any stage, but the great news here is that you can always revert back to the original. So once I'm happy with all of my edits, I can hit Save Edits, and that'll take a minute to save the recording, but I'll always have the option of reverting back to the original recording if I need to. That's a quick look at the new recording editor in Adobe Connect 12.4. Thanks for your time.